There's nothing standing between you and us except air and opportunity. But I want to talk about the opportunity, Jim. I want to talk about the opportunity. The opportunity that Bret Hart never, ever gave you, Jim. 10 years ago, when Shawn Michaels walked into the World Wrestling Federation, there was a tag team here more dominant than any tag team in WWF history, and the name of that team was the Hart Foundation. The Hart Foundation was comprised of two men, Bret the Hitman Hart and Jim the Anvil Neidhart. Jim, you had the knowledge, you had the experience, and you had the charisma, the personality that Bret Hart never, ever had. You were, yes, Jim, you were in fact the Hart Foundation. And what thanks did Bret Hart or the Hart family ever give you? How much, Jim? How much of that lucrative contract that Bret is supposedly getting is Jim the Anvil Neidhart getting? Jim, your last name is Neidhart. It's not Hart. Bret, where is, excuse me, Jim, where is Bret? He's at home. He's at home, Jim. And let me ask you, where is Davey Boy, Jim?
Davey Boy is having some very minor knee surgery.
Oh, it's okay. So Bret's at home, and Davey's having some of that minor knee surgery that's been going around lately. The old phony knee injury. I know that one well, Jim. Okay, let me ask you then, where is Owen? Where's Owen Hart, Jim?
I'll tell you where Owen is. Owen is at home, so mentally distraught about his brother being screwed at Survivor Series.
Okay, Jim. Okay, let me get this right. So, Bret's at home. Davey's having that minor knee surgery stuff. Owen is now mentally distraught. And Jim the Anvil Neidhart is standing alone by himself. Anvil, what I want to talk about is why are you here, Jim? Why are you here? I'll tell you why you're here, Jim. Because you have a wife and you have a family to feed, and you're here looking for opportunity. Well, Hart, Jim the Anvil Neidhart, Shawn Michaels is going to give you that opportunity. He's going to give you that opportunity that Bret Hart gave you. A chance, an opportunity to be a part of the most elite team in wrestling history, Generation X. Jim, for one night only, one chance, one offer, tonight at 11 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. This offer will be taken off the table. Jim, you have a chance to be a part of something and matter to someone. At 11 p.m., Jim, Generation X anxiously awaits your answer.
Can you imagine the shock that's riveting through Calgary, Alberta, Canada right now? Shawn Michaels has offered Jim the Anvil